This is a required weekly test of the emergency alert system.
Show restraint. You don't.
Jennifer Kuiper, CBS News. The following is a test of the emergency alert system. This station is testing its emergency alert system equipment. The EAS will provide timely emergency warnings. This station serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Here comes the intake. First officer flight, season of one.
But I still ate it, cause I'm a gremlin. Yeah, cut those business, KTV.
This is a required weekly test of the emergency alert system.
Maine. Are you ready to go? Go.astate.edu for details.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
Paid for by NHTSA. This is a test of the emergency activation system. This is only a test.
Which is content that's overlooked or forgotten that
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EPAUSE open cap EAS feed configuration test message.